Hi everybody, Jeff at Cutter Masters. This is an orientation video to show you our new Tradesman necker cutter, which also works well as a drill sharpener and countersink sharpener. The Tradesman NC is a one-wheel machine using our DC motor. There's a lot of advantages to that in that we can control the speed and keep the heat down. So we've designed a little feed table that mounts on the side. This mounts a CM06, which is a drill sharpening attachment for our journeyman. With the CM06, we've designed some cams so it will sharpen countersinks. The cams are for 1 fluid and 3 fluid countersinks. It's 25 and 31 thou for single fluid countersinks. So they'll do the single lip type, or they'll do Weldon countersinks, which are nice and chatter free usually. In the 3 fluid, it's common, this type of 3 fluid countersink, there's a 25, 31, and 50 thou. So if you have a really large one, like over 2 inch, with the Tradesman DC, you've got a large face wheel. So you can sharpen a countersink that has quite a large face on it without overheating it. You can run it at maybe 1000 RPM or so. To sharpen drill bits, you use the standard chucks. The chucks, as they come from the factory, have both a plunge and a swing cam on them. When you're sharpening the countersink, you just put our insert cams over the factory cam. They'll snap in place. This changes the operation to just a plunging operation because countersinks don't commonly have as much clearance as the end of a drill. So when you're sharpening the countersink, you'd remove this cam follower, which takes this swing action out of this, and so you get just a nice plunge action to that. If you're sharpening a drill, you just use the native cams that come on the sharpeners, on the chucks. The 2 chucks are from 1/8 to 1/2 inch, and this one goes from 1/2 inch up to 7/8. So there's really good capacity on these 2 drill chucks. They'll give you a standard chisel tip, helical tip. So there's no backspit provision on this particular machine, but that doesn't always matter. So to correctly chuck the tool, you put your drill in the chuck and you tighten it up so that it's snug, and then there's some lines here. You line those up with your flutes, or you can adjust from there. The stick out you want to be around 7/8. It's not overly critical. Just to get it close and then just tap it to where you want it for length. And then when you're grinding drills, you'll just put the drill, the time drill in there. Then there's a feed table. You'll set the angle that you want, and then bring the feed table in so the drill almost touches the wheel, and then it's a pretty straightforward operation, just like a Derek's M5, which is really one of my favorite sharpeners. So this is a great little setup. With the Tradesman NC, you can grind. There's a neck reduction attachment. There's a V-block setup for grinding Weldon flats. There's a tool cutoff setup for cutting off carbide or high-speed tools. Or now you've got drills and countersinks. So we think it's really good value. It does the work of almost a full-size tool grinder. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching.